Right now in Kapila Teertham Forest Rest House premises, just outside the Forest Rest House. This is Forest Rest House, and this is fenced area. And you can see it looks like partly natural forest and partly man-made forest, and they have made a walking trail. It seems I'm right now inside this forest. Really very good, dense and natural forest. Probably you can see no light here, and very impressive sight. One who is interested can walk on the trail here. You can see that they have constructed a good walking trail. And anybody who is visiting Kapila Teertham can have the real feel of forest once you enter this forest. These people are have come for morning walk, and they are doing their physicals here. Here I am ready, retired PCC from Kapila Teertham. We are now getting back to the rest house. I'll just give you a glimpse of the forest rest house, which has been renovated recently, almost to star facility. You can see that it's like a resort or star hotel. This is the forest rest house premises. Of course, there is plenty of space for parking official vehicles. These are all the natural lawns maintained to a great extent with limited staff here. And the house which is seen at the end is the official residence of the conservator of forest here in Kapila Teertham. Earlier it was conservator of forest wildlife. Now this is the Kapila Teertham market, you can see just in front of it, and this is the entry to Kapila Teertham rest house here. This is the office of Chief Conservator of Forest. Earlier it was wildlife. And you can see from here the waterfall. From the top you can see a nice view of Kapila Teertham waterfall. The same water passes through the Kapila Teertham again. Where I am ready. This is retired from Himachal Pradesh.